Molloy and I love sales. You know what's really interesting? It looks pretty simple, doesn't it? How to make $1 million. So it's all around connecting and communicating. And you know, in my first year in business, this is what I did. I had a product worth $3,100, and what I did was I sold it 333 times, and that's how I got my first $1 million. This product was actually sold to 66 businesses. So they averaged around 5 products. Some took 10, some took less, depending on the size of the business. So what's really good when you're working out what you need for your business is to have a look at what do your products cost, how many do you need to sell, and how many would each customer be willing to take. So have fun with sales, and remember, it's a dance. It's a matter of giving and receiving. Speak soon.